Good morning. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm back. It's early in the morning. The sun is coming up, and I decided to jump on and do this video because I need to get it done. So today I am on my laptop and we are going to order some appliances. So I've been wanting to get this washer dryer since Black Friday, or maybe even before then. And I've been on the Home Depot website and waiting for something special to happen, and nothing is happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and just order it today. I have a coupon from Home Depot that give me 15% off. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So the washer dryer I want is the Electrolux washer with steam and dryer. Or it's the front load perfect steam electric dryer and the Smart Boost technology steam washer in white. I really kind of wanted the titanium, but it's literally $100 more per appliance for titanium, and I really don't think it's that deep. So the washer dryer that I've been wanting is the washer machine is the Smart Boost technology steam, and then the dryer is the Perfect Steam laundry care dryer. The reason why they're different is because one of them is a 527 model and the other is a 627 model. Is because the 627 dryer literally is going to take till April to deliver. So I'm just going to get the model down dryer but the model up washer, because I feel like washing is the more important thing and not so much drying. So we'll see. And we are going to order this washer dryer together, so when it comes you'll get to see it. So okay, let's just talk pricing. So the washing machine is $1,099, but they have a 10% off, so it's $989, and the dryer is $999, and then they have 10% off, so it is $899. So my subtotal. Oh, and okay, so because I plan on doing a lot of DIY projects while I am beginning my journey in my home, I am getting the Ryobi 6-tool combo kit, which includes a drill, a compact driver, a miter saw, a reciprocating saw, a flashlight, and some batteries. All of this for $2.99. So at first I was going to buy everything separately, but for $2.99 for the combo kit, I just decided to just get that. So that's in my cart too. Okay, so my subtotal is $24.94. Then with my discount, I'm saving $410. It's free shipping and it's free appliance delivery and install, which is really good because my appliances is going to go in the basement that I showed you guys. So they're going to take it all the way down. So that's good. So, okay, my total after my discount is $2,080.94. Texas brought it up $100. So now we at $2,205. Okay. See you guys. It's happening. It's happening. So, okay, so it's saying that my appliances will get there by March the 3rd, which is so crazy because I'll get there March the 2nd. So if I get there March the 2nd, I can be there to coordinate the appliance delivery. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so everything is ordered and I'm supposed to be receiving it March the 3rd, 2021. So I'm really, really excited. So I did it. I bit the bullet. I ordered my washer dryer. The only thing I have left to order that I really want is my fireplace for downstairs and the fireplace for my bedroom, but that I can wait on until I get there. I have to do some measurements and see how I want to actually put it in place, but this right here was a big deal. Now the reason why I went for Electrolux as opposed to every other brand is because I've done extensive research on what's the best washer dryer to get you the best quality of clothes, and Electrolux was one of the best. I've done research on the average brands, not average, but the common brands like GE. No, I actually have a GE and it's not good. Whirlpool, I've been a Whirlpool user forever. And although I do like it and I don't have any issues with Whirlpool, I just wanted to try something completely different because I wanted more techie things. I don't want just basic cleaning. I wanted the steam. I wanted the being able to use it on your smartphone, like the whole thing. So when I researched the bells and whistles of it all, Electrolux was the top. So I went ahead and got that. So yeah, you guys, I did it. I ordered my appliances. I'll show you guys what they look like on screen, and then you'll be there with me when I get it delivered. So hopefully everything goes cool. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.